Hello everyone, so this is a tutorial video in which I'm going to tell you how you can turn any of your favorite picture or photo into your Honor Watch GS3 watch face. So this is so simple. You just have to open the Honor Health app by which you have connected your watch to your phone. If you missed that video, you can find the link in the description box below. So let's start. Just click on the Honor Health app, click on the devices, and you can see that there is your watch, Honor Watch GS3, and here is watch face market. So just click on all, okay, then click on me. So this page will show all the watch faces that you have downloaded for your watch. Just click on album. When you click on album, just click on this plus symbol and allow access to your media. Open gallery. So you can see that there is all the photos of your phone. Just search or scroll where is the your favorite photo or your favorite picture that you want to make your watch face. Just like I just select this one and select this one. So this is a photo which I'm going to make the watch face of my Honor Watch GS3. Just click on this right icon and adjust the picture according to your need. You can rotate it or you can move it. So let's just say this is perfect. Okay, then when you are done with the adjusting or aligning, just click on this right icon and you can say that how it will look on your watch like this. If you are satisfied, then you can click on save and click on save again. It is saving. It's saved. Let's check on the watch. So as you can see, it's on the watch. So this is so simple, and I hope I was helpful through this video.